Today I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. You know this AI animated niche? It's blowing up right now on YouTube. So many faceless channels are uploading short AI animated videos, and guess what? They're already monetized and earning thousands of dollars every single month, just by spending 1 to 2 hours making these videos. Yeah, that's it. But hold on, I've got something even crazier for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral AI animated videos in just minutes, not hours. Yes, minutes. I know it sounds unbelievable, but I promise you it's real. No complicated software, no editing skills needed, no team, nothing. And here comes the best part. You can do all this 100% for free. No credits, no subscriptions, no paid tools. I'm going to introduce you to a free website where you can generate amazing images and animated videos without paying a single rupee or dollar. This is perfect for beginners, for anyone who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel, or even for creators who don't have much time. Just take a screenshot. No need to enter any complicated prompt. Now come into ChatGPT and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated video. Kindly prompt me 8 prompts with the same character and same situation." That's it. No need to write any special or offensive text. Just keep it simple and clear. Hit enter and then Dazz! I mean, it's amazing, bro! ChatGPT instantly gives you 8 super cool prompts, all matching, consistent, and creative. They look awesome, and yes, they actually work. You don't need to be a pro or spend hours figuring things out. Just copy-paste, and you're ready to go. It's literally that easy. This trick is a game changer for anyone creating AI videos, so don't miss it, try it once, and you'll be blown away. Alright, now let's jump over to Google and search for Meta AI. Once you see the search results, just click on the very first website that pops up. It'll take you straight to the platform. Now go ahead and sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll see a super simple interface. Don't worry, it's totally free. Yes, you heard that right, completely free. No credits, no subscriptions, no payment, nothing at all. Just free access to powerful AI tools. Now take a look at the face interface. All you need to do is paste your prompt right there. And boom, just like that, it'll generate a realistic full HD quality image. It's crazy how good it is, way better than what you'd get on most paid websites. So yeah, save your money. This tool does it all for free. But hey, I know what you're thinking. You don't just need images. You want videos, right? Well, don't go anywhere, because I've got you covered. Look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a bunch of different style options like 3D style, cartoon, cinematic, and many more. You can pick whatever you like. Personally, I went with the 3D style because, honestly, it looks the best for animated content. And when I hit generate, the result was amazing. Super clean, high-quality 3D visuals in full HD. And here's the cool part, you can also customize the colors, lighting, and even the vibe of the image. But seriously, just click the 3D option, try a prompt, and you'll be shocked at how good it looks. Now, once your image is ready, here's the exciting part. Just click on Animate and wait a few seconds. Not minutes, just a few seconds. And boom, your AI-generated image turns into a full HD animated video. And don't worry, I know some of you are wondering about the watermark or logo on the video. I'll show you how to remove that too. So make sure you stick around and watch till the end. And finally, once you've created all your animated clips, just generate each video one by one and download them all to your device. It's that simple. You now have everything you need to create viral AI animated content for free. Let's go viral together. Now open CapCut and drag in all your video clips that you've generated. Also, drag in the audio files you downloaded, like sound effects or background music from the YouTube audio library. Now it's time to match the audio with your video. Adjust the timing so the sounds match perfectly with your visuals. Whether it's a car crash, an engine rev, or a transition sound, line it up so it feels natural. Next, let's talk about that logo on your video. No worries. Just select all your clips and slightly zoom in the scale. That's right, a small zoom is enough to remove the watermark logo without affecting your video quality. And yes, your video will still be in Full HD 1080p. You won't lose any quality. Boom! Logo gone, quality intact. Now it's time for a little editing magic. Add some transitions to make your video smoother and more professional. You can use basic transitions like zoom in, zoom out, slide or fade, depending on your video style. If you're using CapCut Pro, you'll get access to amazing high-quality transitions that make your video look even more cinematic. So yes, I recommend downloading CapCut Pro for the best results. You can also add visual effects. Use light flashes, shake effects, or cinematic overlays to make your scenes pop. All of these can be downloaded for free and applied directly in your timeline. Next, go to the text section. This part is really important. Add titles, captions, or highlights wherever needed. Use clean, bold fonts and place the text where it doesn't block important visuals. Now, once your video is complete, take a few minutes to watch the entire video from start to finish. Make sure everything flows well. If anything looks off, fix it right away. And that's it. You've created a high-quality, professional-level video totally free. Thank you so much for watching my video. If this helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.